Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting what could easily be the best cordless vacuum cleaner lightweight for hardwood floors. The SMOTURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a high-performance cleaning tool that combines raw power, smart features, and ergonomic design in one sleek package. Let's jump right in. This vacuum packs an impressive 550 watts of motor power and delivers a stunning 4.5 kPa of suction, which is more than enough to handle everything from pet hair to deep dust embedded in carpet fibers. Whether you're dealing with high-pile rugs, hardwood floors, or furniture upholstery, this vacuum is engineered to adapt. Now, runtime is a big deal with cordless vacuums, and this one doesn't disappoint. You get up to 60 minutes of continuous operation on a full charge, making it ideal for cleaning the entire house in one go. Thanks to its intelligent auto mode, the suction power adjusts based on the floor type and debris level, optimizing both battery efficiency and cleaning performance. The SMOTURE vacuum is designed to be as user-friendly as it is powerful. Its stick form is lightweight and maneuverable, so whether you're reaching under the couch or cleaning high corners, your arms won't tire out. And when you're done, it stands on its own, no leaning against the wall or awkward balancing acts. Storage and charging are also seamless. It comes with a wall mount that doubles as a charging station. Just clip it in, and you're ready to go for next time. No extra cords, no mess. And speaking of accessories, this unit is well equipped. It includes a telescopic tube, vertical floor brush, sofa brush adapter, 2-in-1 long flat suction nozzle, a HEPA filter, vent cleaning tools, and more. It even has a dedicated storage stand to keep everything organized. Another feature worth highlighting is its multi-surface capability. While it excels on hardwood floors, it's just as effective on carpets and tiles. The included motorized brush head deep cleans carpets, while the flat suction tools are great for furniture, crevices, and even your car interior. The vacuum's filtration system uses HEPA technology, which means it captures fine dust particles and allergens, improving air quality as you clean. For pet owners, allergy sufferers, or parents, this adds an extra layer of value. Let's not forget portability. Weighing in at just under 4 kilograms, it's easy to carry from room to room or up the stairs. Despite its featherweight profile, it doesn't skimp on durability or power. So, to wrap it all up, this SMOTURE cordless vacuum is a powerful, versatile, and intelligently designed vacuum cleaner that hits all the right notes. From the 550W motor to the 60-minute runtime and smart auto-adjust suction, this is a serious contender in the cordless vacuum category. If you're looking for a lightweight, high-suction vacuum that excels especially on hardwood floors but is flexible enough for every corner of your home, this could be the one. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into top-rated household gear. See you in the next one.